Hi, hello. Today I have a really exciting video. I am going to be doing 4 different looks using the Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. Looks like this. I ordered this only a few days ago. I believe I ordered it like 2 days ago and it came like a day after, so very quick shipping, very good. I thought it was going to be a lot longer because obviously it's a new collection, it's massive and there's going to be loads of people on the website, but nope, it came really quick. Today I'm going to be doing one look and then the next video I'm going to be doing another look with the other palette and then so on. So I'm going to be doing 4 different looks, testing the shades out, and I'm going to be doing swatches on my arm as well. So hopefully you'll get a good idea of what these palettes are like. I'm excited to try them. I've opened the package but I haven't swatched any of them yet because I wanted to save it for this video. So it looks like this. I love that it comes with this little pulley thing so you can just grab this and pull the palettes out, which is great. This was £49, which I thought was a really good deal for 40 shadows basically. If you're going to buy the palettes individually, they are £15 each, which I feel like if you have the money, of course, I would buy the bulk bundle. So let's get into it. So there's 4 eyeshadow palettes with 10 shades in each palette. Let's talk about the palettes. So they are quite small and lightweight, so they're great for travel. So they look like this. On each design they're the same, but they have like different coloured confetti, I believe that's called. So this one is the Dark Magic palette, which is the green one, so it has green confetti. And then you have the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is the yellow one. Then you have Bling Boss, which is the purple shades, so obviously it has the purple design. And then lastly you have the Ring the Alarm, which is like a reddy orangey shade. I think it's like a burnt orange. So yeah, they're the 4 palettes here. So this intro is going to be in every video because I explain the palettes. So inside you have the 10 shades. I'm not going to show every palette in each one because I'll just explain that in the video, but I just want to show you the palette. So it has 10 shades and it comes with a mirror, which is great for Morphe. Of course, they don't really tend to put a mirror in their palettes, so again, great for the value of what it is. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You'll see swatches and explanation about the palette in each video, so I will put them in the eye up here. I believe it's up here or up here, I don't know. I'll put each video up there and I'll also list them down in the description box, and also I'll make a playlist so it's again easy for you to see them. So keep on watching if you want to see how I create a look using this one, the Dark Magic. Okay, so I've zoomed you in, as you can see. Okay, so to prime my eyelids, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C0.5. Love this for concealing my eyelids. In the first video I'm going to be using the Dark Magic palette. So it looks like this, beautiful shades. Again, I'll put swatches like as I'm talking. So it has 10 shades. The names are Poof, Power Cut, Shh, Chicory, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo and Temperance. It comes with a mirror, which is great. As you can see, I'll probably use this today. Let's get into using this palette. So the first one I'm actually going to go in with is Potion down here. I really want to try this and I want to put it in my crease. I want to do kind of like a blue green kind of look. It picks up a little bit of product. It's not major kickback, but that's normal for an eyeshadow palette, I suppose. Just going to pat this in the crease. Quite a dark green. that shade is actually quite nice. Maybe people have had like a bad batch, which I'm glad I don't. Just going to blend this out. Hopefully it blends out nicely. I wish I had more lid space. I'm going to do one eye and then go off camera and do the other eye. Okay, so that colour actually blended out really nicely. It's a very pigmented green shade. Very nice, I have to say. Okay, so then to add a little bit of blue, I'm going to add Busted, which is like a navy blue shade. Obviously I'm not going to be using all the shades in the palette. It has a black in there, but it's got like loads of shimmer in there, which I'm not really a fan of. Oh, I took that on the Morphe blending brush, which is the M441 brush, the green shade, and now I'm taking the Morphe M507 brush and going into that shade. This shade doesn't give off much kickback at all, which is great. So I'm going to put this lower down in the crease. So far there hasn't been any fallout, which is great. I love that shade. I'm just going to go in with that blending brush. We took the green and take a little bit of the green so we don't lose any of that colour. These shades are blending nicely together too, which of course is a bonus. Nice. Liking it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Morphe M322 brush and I'm going to go in with Mojo, this really dark brown. So I'm going to put this on the outer corner. I'm going to do a halo eye actually, so I'm going to take more of that blue and put it into the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to take Mojo and place it on the outer corner and on the inner corner. This colour doesn't give off much kickback either, which is great. Obviously it gives off a little bit, but that's just normal. Then I'm going to go into the inner corner. Then I'm going to blend that out into the blue shade. I'm not taking it up too high though. It's going to be a very dark, grungy look. Okay, so now I'm going to take some concealer and do a halo eye. So I'm just taking that Revolution concealer, placing that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use the Real Techniques detailer brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into Mojo and deepen that out again. Then I'm going to go back in with Busted and I'm just blending them shades together so we don't have a harsh line. Okay, so for the middle part of my eyelid I'm going to go in with Power Cut, which is this shade here. Beautiful shade. So I'm going to take that on a brush first. And then I'm going to go in with maybe either wetting the brush or with my finger. So I'm taking the Morphe E36 brush, which is a very small, petite brush. That shade is very pigmented on its own, just like that, but I think I'm going to go in with my finger. That is stunning. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with Mojo, and I'm going to go back in with Busted as well. Okay, so I am in love with this. Okay, so it doesn't have a highlight shade for like the inner corner and the brow bone. So I'm going to go in with the highlight I took on my face, which is the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Solvos Play. Don't know how to say that. I think I'm going to leave the brow bone bare because we've got a lot of shimmer going on the eyelid. So I'm going to keep that like that. So next I'm going to go in with the lower lash line. So I'm going to take Potion, which is the green shade, and I'm just going to blend this. Okay, so then I'm going to take Busted, which is the blue shade, navy blue shade, and I'm just going to blend that a little bit closer to the lash line and blending it in with the outer corner. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow done. I can surely say I love this eye look. It's very different. I don't normally tend to use these colours together, but I think they look amazing. So I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye. Hopefully I remember what I did, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished eyes. I hope you like it. I like them a lot. I feel like they look amazing. The eyeshadow is blended so nicely, and I'd recommend getting this palette. Even though people say that the green shade Potion isn't as pigmented, it's quite patchy, my palette seemed okay. My shade, it blended nicely, it wasn't patchy. So yeah, this is the finished look. I will list everything down below for you to see what eyelashes and lipstick and stuff what I'm wearing, and stay tuned for this base makeup. I'm testing out new foundations. I'm going to be having a series on my channel, so look out for that. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please click on the links in the eye where I'm going to be testing the rest of the palettes of the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, so stay tuned for them. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and give this video a thumbs up if this helped. I really like this look. It's really grungy and dark. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.